Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Bleeding Crypto's BTC Market Update. Today is Monday, August 26, 10:36 a.m. local time. I hope you're having a good day, morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Let me start off with my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is to be used for entertainment purposes only for your fantasy paper trading. All right, guys. So last night before I went to bed, I gave you guys an update of what I was looking for. So we talked about this channel and we talked about the possibility of dropping below here or going higher. Now, as you can see here, we dropped below. We confirmed it, back test, which is what I'm always preaching about, waiting for those confirmation via a back test. And you can see here where we back test, we reclaimed it shortly. This is the hourly time frame. We fell back below, back test, and we continue to back test the bottom of that channel. So now we're consolidating under resistance. Normally that's bearish, okay? And normally I'm looking for a drop when we have a scam pump weekend. A scam pump weekend, as you know, is when New York closes on Friday, Asia steps in and starts to artificially move the market. And I say artificially because no one is buying. The volume is super low, but yet the price continues to go up. That's why we call it a scam. It's a scam pump weekend. It's designed to get you in, to get you to long, so they can drop it and they can make money off of your emotions. And it happens very often. Normally, New York will come in on a Monday morning and they drop it. But when they do that, they drop it pretty quickly. The only thing we had was a very shallow drop. So with the very shallow drop, it starts to shift the possibilities that this is all we're going to get for now. It's not confirmed yet because we're still underneath that channel resistance. However, what I'm looking for now is a move back into this channel. If we get a move back into this channel, that is going to open the possibilities for a much higher trading before we start seeing that roll over. I'm going to use a daily time frame to give you a visualization of what I am looking for. In yesterday's video, we talked about the back test of this bull break from this long standing area of resistance, and it goes back 5 months. And each one of those times when we break that area, we back test immediately. We have not back tested. This is day 4 since we broke above it. The day's not over. However, the weakness in the lower time frame is getting negated by the bulls. They're stepping up. Every time the bears come in and try to drop it, the bulls buy it right up. Those are small signs that have me staying very cautious so I don't miss an opportunity. Because what I think is going on here, and again, looking at the price action, I'm going to have to wait for that confirmation, is if the bears cannot take control and drop the price action, then we're going to hold the support here, which was prior support and resistance, and we have another leg to the upside. And we're not going to back test this yet. Is it going to get back tested? Yeah, the probability it is. But now the problem is that we're going to go higher, leading for more of a magnet to come back down at a later time. If that were to happen, when you look at the seasonality chart, when you look at the date that we're in, we have 5 more days to go before this month is over. If we continue to push higher, that puts us right into the seasonality that September could be a red month. We're all hoping it isn't. We're all thinking, and I'm seeing a lot of posts, no, not this time. This time it's different. But when you look back 11 years, 8 of those years, and as a matter of fact, I think it was like 6 or 7 in a row, were red. Last year, it wasn't. Could we get another green month? Yes, we could. But the odds say we're not. If we don't come and back test this, in my opinion, we increase those odds that September will not be a green month. It is going to, in fact, go down to the probability and become a red month. So for me, I would love to see higher prices. In order for that to happen, I would like to see this get respected. Come back here, back test this, resolve this. Even though we haven't resolved the V shape here, let's at least resolve this to get us hopefully to invalidate coming any lower. And that invalidation, I spoke about that yesterday, so there's no need to get into it today. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, I encourage you to go to my profile, look at yesterday's video. I think it was like at 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So you can go ahead and take a look at that and listen to the upside and the downside objective. So for right now, guys, I'm just watching it closely on this channel. Can we finally break below the 100 EMA? We talked about this yesterday as a possibility. If we continue to drop, next area of support is here. Look what happened. Look where we're at. Once again, I encourage you to watch yesterday's video. Now, based on what happens here, the next round of trades that I'm going to take with my Telegram group is going to be announced. Hopefully, you guys, it's 25 bucks. Seriously, it's 88 cents a day. If you can't afford 25 bucks a month, you shouldn't even be in this space. So even I have guys in there that are professional traders, and they're there not because they need me, but because they like to find confluence. I do that almost every day. I look at other people that I respect that I believe are a lot smarter than I am, and I come up with my own thesis. Then I look to other traders to see if maybe there's something I missed. Do they have the same plan? And when I get to find that confluence, it just gives me the confidence that I'm in the right track. And that doesn't guarantee it's going to play out, but it just helps. And for 88 cents, I think it's worth that extra peace of mind. So if you want to join, I put a post a little while ago with the website address on how to join the Telegram group. If you want it, if you don't, that's fine. You can stay here, watch these videos for free every day. I am going to continue to make these every day, even though I am leaving on vacation this week, and I'll be gone until next week. However, I will do my best to give you guys the videos. If I cannot give you the videos, I will be trading actively with my teams, with my Discord team, and with my Telegram group, giving those signals out. So hopefully you guys can join. And if not, like I said, just follow these videos. For right now, the only thing you have to concern yourself is with this channel that we drew yesterday and the channel line here. We need to regain this in order to see more upside. And we need to bounce here to get to the next level, hopefully to the upside. And we talked about the possibility, if we don't hold this, what we are looking for to the downside. And I think I've been talking about that for quite often, so there's no real need to get into it right now. Other than that, guys, there's not much to talk about. This video is going to be a little bit shorter, only because I covered a lot yesterday. I did a half-hour update, so this is just a quick update showing you that, hey, guys, look, pay attention. We are where we thought we may be for the downside. However, no follow-through. The bulls are stepping up on every single occasion. That is very bullish. And what that is doing, guys, look, that is setting up for a reset of the oscillators. And you know what happens when we reset oscillators? Let me show you. This is what happens when you reset oscillators. This is what happened when you reset oscillators. Look, this is what happens when you reset oscillators. So whenever we have a move and you reset an oscillator, this is what subsequently happens. So that's why it's very important to watch these lower time frames for those heads up signals. Those, I don't want to call them predictive signals, but they're basically just signals that start giving you those clues that things may be turning around. That even though we were expecting a deeper move, if we lost this, it's not happening. And like I told you guys, because I'm telling you what may happen, doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's all about validating and invalidation. We validated the loss of this channel by all these back tests, but we can invalidate the follow through by regaining the channel support and then start moving higher. Once we clear this, obviously, that's another hurdle. Then we clear this top of the channel, then we start getting closer and closer to that $67,000 top of the diagonal channel, which would be this right here, which would be this in here. Could it go higher? Yeah, it could. We had a harmonic pattern that plays out into the $69,000 area. So if we take this, I took this off, I think this morning. Here, let me show you what I mean. And you guys see me play those harmonic patterns very often, and you see how accurate they are. So there's no reason why this is the top of the harmonic pattern, almost $70,000. And yet we're not losing support. Lower time frames, bulls are coming in. Mondays are normally when New York smacks it down. New York hasn't smacked it down. New York is trying, unable to. So Do we run up? Huh? That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm looking for. I don't even care if I'm hoping, because it's a whole different different round of trades if we continue to go down, and it's a whole different type of trades if we decide to go higher. So let's see what happens, guys, and I'll keep you guys posted either tonight or tomorrow. Most likely tomorrow for what did we resolve here? What did the bears and the bulls actually do? And did we get by tomorrow? Did we get to our purple line, or did we regain this and start a new round of positions? I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Have a good day.